Mona.
Look, you got long arms.
I know.
Mona.
That.
Mona. I know you're watching me.
I
can see you.
Take 6 to survive.
You have to run all the way down and run all the way back.
Oh, just push that button.
It don't work. It doesn't work.
It does.
What's that?
Someone's in the office.
Steven, push the button.
No, don't
Push the button. Okay, when you stop looking, push the button.
even go.
Push the button.
Do it.
Push the button.
Emily, push it.
Forbes is gonna kill me.
Emily, push the button. Mr. Forbes wants you to.
Yeah, push the call button.
Where does the call button go to?
It goes straight to the office. Just click it.
Why do you
Just
have
click it.
one in here?
Because there used to be a system that we could call the office, but then our school got hit by lightning and now it doesn't work anymore.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You don't
No, it just makes the thing
Sometimes
click.
when you push this, the person at office will answer.
Yeah. Do it.
No, don't do it, please.
Do it.
Do it.
Just do it.
Do it. Do it. Peer pressure. Peer pressure.
No.
I like a large order of fries.
No, please.
No.
They're not answering.
Click the call button again.
I'll come for what?
No.
Hello? You need to hold it.
You're good.
Yeah, I think you have to hold it.
No, don't.